Everything is always working out for me. 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 Things are always working out for me.
Everything is always working out for me. Abraham Hicks. Have you ever felt like things were falling apart, only to later realize they were falling into place? Abraham Hicks often says, "Everything is always working out for me." But how do we believe that when our reality shows us something different? Most people wait for external change to feel good, but Abraham's teachings invite us to do the opposite, to feel good first and watch the world respond. Today, we'll break down what this quote really means, how to live from it, and the small daily shifts that can lead to big spiritual growth. Everything is always working out for me. Things are aligning, even when you can't see it yet. This quote speaks to the power of trusting the universe even when evidence seems lacking. It's a reminder that our internal alignment is always more powerful than temporary external chaos. Abraham teaches that the universe responds to vibration, not words. When you adopt this belief, even when life looks messy, you're sending a powerful signal to the universe. You're saying, "I trust the process. I believe in divine timing. I know unseen forces are rearranging things for my highest good." This isn't about pretending everything is perfect. It's about reaching for a better feeling thought. Abraham calls this emotional guidance. If you're angry, reaching for hope is enough. If you're sad, reaching for calm is a win. When you feel like nothing's working, remember, life is like planting a seed. You don't dig it up after a day. You water it. You trust it. You believe in growth before you see it. Abraham also reminds us that momentum builds. If you keep repeating this affirmation and really feeling it, the universe responds with matching experiences. But it's your belief and emotional alignment that unlock the magic. Try this for the next 7 days. Morning mirror practice. Stand in front of the mirror and say, "Everything is always working out for me." Say it until it feels believable. Reframe journal. Write 3 past situations that felt like setbacks, but later turned out to be blessings. This builds evidence for your subconscious. In the moment mantra. When something goes wrong, pause and ask, "What if this is working for me, not to me?" Rampage routine. Take 2 minutes and speak aloud about everything that's currently going right in your life, no matter how small. Evening check-in. Reflect on one moment that showed signs of alignment, a kind word, a canceled meeting, a new idea. You are not here to control the how or the timing. You are here to align, to trust, to keep moving in the direction of better thoughts, better feelings, and better belief. Try living from this mantra. Everything is always working out for me. Let it become your lens, your anchor, your foundation. And notice, gently, day by day, how the universe begins to echo back to you.
We would never stop reaching for more, and we would never stop reaching for more on purpose. But along with reaching for more and reaching for more on purpose, we would be adding these powerful words, and we would practice them until we know them. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me. Everything is always working out for me.